Once again, very good morning, students. Welcome to LP Savani Riverside School. Students, today we are going to start with our revision of first chapter, that is the world we live in. We'll see map. A map is a graphical representation of the Earth's surface drawn to scale on a sheet of paper. Now see students, we can see the image of the map down there. But is our world actually flat like the map? क्या हमारा वर्ल्ड मैप के जैसे फ्लैट होता है? नो, इट इज़ नॉट फ्लैट. The earth is actually round and shaped like an orange. अर्थ कैसे होती है? राउंड. और उसकी शेप कैसी है? ऑरेंज के जैसी. A little flat at the top and bottom. It is slightly tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees. It has an imaginary line that runs through the middle called the axis. Okay, there is an imaginary line that runs through the middle of the earth. That line is called, क्या बोलते हैं उसे? It is called axis. The northern and southern tips of the earth through which the axis passes are called the North Pole and the South Pole respectively. The imaginary line that passes through the tips of the earth are called North Pole and South Pole. Okay, we will start with our second point, that is globe. A globe is a spherical model of the earth. It has the map drawn on it and is mounted on an axle so that it can be rotated. See students, we can see the image of the globe. See, it is spherical, means it is round in shape, and there is map. There are various maps drawn on the globe, and see the one black color line that is in both the sides, that is called axle. So with its help, it can rotate. Okay. We have horizontal and vertical imaginary lines running over the surface to form a grid. See students, on this globe there are horizontal and vertical lines that are running over it, which together form grid. The intersection of these lines on the grid form coordinates that help in identifying the location of the place. Means when these lines are intersecting, means they are crossing each other on the grid, they form coordinates. Means when these lines are intersecting, the coordination that is formed by them, it helps us to identify the location of any place. The horizontal lines are called latitudes. The vertical lines are called longitudes. Means students, the lines that are horizontally drawn on the globe, they are latitudes, and the vertical lines which we see, they are called longitudes. Okay students, so in globe we saw 3 points, that is axle, grid, longitude and latitude, and a globe is a spherical model of the earth. Okay students, now we will see latitude. Latitudes are horizontal lines drawn on the surface of the earth. See students, you can see in image how are the horizontal lines. They run parallel to each other and are also known as parallels of latitude. See students, we can see in the image that they are at equal distance, no far, no away. So they are parallel to each other. Okay, and as they are parallel, they are also called parallel of latitude. The line that runs exactly in the middle, see there is a line which is exactly in the middle, there is 0 degree written there, thereby that divides the earth into two halves or hemisphere. That line is called equator. What it is called? It is called equator. The part of the earth above the equator is called northern hemisphere, and the part below is called the southern hemisphere. Okay students, The part which is above the equator is called northern hemisphere, and the part which is below it is called southern hemisphere. There are 90 latitudes running on either sides of the equator, thereby bringing the total to 181 including the equator. Mean student, there are how many latitudes? 90 latitudes on each side, and when we count it together, 90 on one side and 90 on other side, and also adding equator, the total becomes 181. Okay, their length are not equal at this, and the circle becomes smaller toward the poles. See students, these lines are parallel but their length is not equal, so the circle becomes smaller towards the pole. Okay students, let us now look at some important latitudes that divide the earth into different regions. Okay, so in latitude, what we saw students, that latitudes are the horizontal line drawn on the surface of the earth. We can see the image of these lines. Okay students, and see students, this is your homework. You have to write this in your notebook. A globe is a spherical model of the earth. From this to the vertical lines are called longitudes. Okay, all these 4 points and definition of globe you have to write in your homework.